Hi, how are you? Okay, we are live. We are live now. Hi, Patrick Brown. Yes, Amin
Good
Ullah.
afternoon, viewers. This is Amin Khatek from Pakhtun Professionals virtual platform. On behalf of the board of directors, I say you a happy Canada Day. Our special thanks to all the frontline workers. Thanks for everything you do and to keep us safe and healthy. You are the real heroes. Today, on this great day, we have our guest, Honourable Patrick Brown, with us. He's the Brampton mayor. Um, I know Mayor, it's a very busy day for you, and you have a series of events today. We also have on board our president, Pakhtun Professional Canada, Dr. Manan Fazli, and Pakhtun Association president, Mr. Gul from Calgary. We have live. I think Patrick has a very busy schedule and he has the next event coming up soon. He's driving on the way. So we will give him a chance first instead of the other introductions. Hi, Patrick. How's your day going
Well,
on today?
Amin, thank you for having me on this Canada Day celebration. Just to let everyone know that my wife is driving. I'm not driving, so it's safe.
Okay.
uh, but I wanted to say, and I know Urs here is from my office is going to be part of this celebration today as well. But I wanted to say to all of you, July 1st is a very important day. It's our nation's birthday, and sometimes Canadians are polite, we're shy. But on July 1st, I want everyone to be unapologetic and brag about the country we live in. Be proud to be Canadian. You know, this country is so special. Universal health care, uh, free education, religious freedom, an example of multiculturalism and and harmony. You know, there are so many reasons that I'm so proud to live in Canada. We are so fortunate to live in Canada. And the city of Brampton is one of the best examples of this mosaic in action. This mosaic, this beautiful mosaic where we have everyone working together. And you know, the best description of Canada to say why this is such a special place is in Canada. It doesn't matter where you're born, doesn't matter the color of your skin, doesn't matter what God you worship, doesn't matter who you love. Everyone has the ability to succeed in this country, and that is a beautiful thing. And I can tell you, the more you see of Canada, the more you'll fall in love with it. You know, when I was in federal parliament, I did committee hearings across the country. As far north as none of it, and you know, the vastness of the country is awe-inspiring. And I have to say, you know, in this COVID-19 pandemic, we're seeing the best of Canadians as well. Despite this adversity, we are seeing people show generosity. We are seeing people show empathy. We're showing people's, you know, sticking up for each other. It's just, you know, we live in a country where we rise to the occasion. And to all those on your Canada Day show, I just want to say from the city of Brampton, happy Canada Day. Let's be proud of our country. We live in the best country in the world.
Thank you, Patrick. Really happy Canada Day. And this COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of people suffered from different, will you give some message to the community, to the Canadians regarding COVID-19 pandemic? That no doubt it's a great day. Everybody want to be outside. Everybody want to celebrate it in different ways. Is there any message particularly related to COVID-19 you want to give it to
So,
community?
so let me say first of all, we're going to get through this. I know it's hard, but we're going to get through it as a city and as a country. And I have great belief in the capacity of mankind to confront challenges and overcome them. And there is research happening across the world on this virus. They're making great progress. They've already started human trials. And whether it's the antibody test or whether it's a vaccine, mankind has always had the capacity to overcome challenges that are presented. And this will be the same. We will get through this, and just look at the progress we're making on leveling the curve. You know, we are making incredible progress. So I wanted to say, to everyone, keep your faith, and there are better days ahead. There are sunny days ahead, and I'm sure at one point we'll talk back to about 2020 as a year that we confronted adversity and we managed to get by it.
That's great. Before going to we'll just give a chance to our president, Pakhtun Professional Canada, Dr. Manan Fazli, to give us such like a small message to the community.
Okay, so I'm Dr. Manan, President Pakhtun Professional Canada, a non-profit Canadian registered organization. Happy Canada Day to all Canadians on behalf of the all Pakhtun living in across Canada. On this great day, stay safe and follow the public health of Canada guidelines to keep Canada safe. Connect with your loved ones, your neighbors, and those you think need help. Give charities to our hospitals so we have better facilities available for those hospitalized. Thanks all frontline workers in any capacity. They try to keep every one of us safe. Never forget those who might be sleeping without having any food. Support the food banks. Warm welcome to Patrick Brown, his wife, and his colleagues traveling with him somewhere to beautiful places. It's a honorable guest, Patrick Brown. He was a former member of parliament, a good, excellent politician, mayor of Brampton, for taking time, your very busy schedule. And it's a pride for us Pakhtun professionals. It's a pride for Pakhtuns across Canada. And you are giving a message to all Canadians. We believe on diversity, inclusion, and we serve everybody. Being as a Pakhtun professionals, Canada, we started a virtual programming services for job for those helping those who need social emotional help or help in businesses and job creation. It's a wonderful organization, nonprofit, and Patrick, you gave us that pride, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me on today.
Thank you, Dr. Manan. Now we have our other guest from from Calgary, the Pakhtun Association President of Calgary chapter. We have Mr. Gul here, so we will give him a chance to give some message to the community.
Good afternoon, Mr. Mayor. This is Gul Khan from Calgary. Wishing you a happy Canada Day to everyone. I know that you taking time to give us some time on this platform, and I saw you driving. Your wife is driving, and you're going to another event. But we are very proud to be Canadian, and we are very happy to be in Canada. I was born in Pakistan. I didn't have a choice. I was born there, but I choose to live in Canada, and this is the country of my choice. This is a very beautiful country. I'm wishing everyone who listening from this platform, a very happy Canada Day. And thank you again to have with us. This is our pleasure, and you have a good evening.
Thank you, Mr. Gul. We just give him a chance that we have another guest here, or if you want to give any message. I think.
Oh, I wasn't prepared to say anything, but I just
you can just say a happy
wish
Canada Day to all the
happy
community in
Canada
Canada. Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
It's wonderful that there's a strong Pakhtun community, and it's really nice that you guys are hosting this. So, celebrate, and inshallah we'll get to meet in a non-virtual space soon.
Sure.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, well, thank you, everyone. Thank you for having me on. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Happy Canada Day. Please stay healthy, everyone. Stay safe.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you too.
Yeah, you take care.
Have a good day.
So we will be coming soon with Gul Khan, just taking a little break, and we will be back soon. Stay with us.